Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to innovative household products. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for your cleaning arsenal, the original Broombi. This isn't just any broom. It's the best magic broom available on the market, and we're about to show you why. The original Broombi isn't your typical broom. It's designed with patented quad-blade technology featuring a unique silicone edge that creates static electricity, making it incredibly effective at attracting hair, fine dust, and even those pesky pet hairs that seem to linger forever. Let's break down what makes the Broombi so special. It's not just for sweeping floors. The Broombi tackles glass, fine dust, liquid spills, and even gooey messes like ketchup and broken eggs effortlessly. Whether you have smooth floors, tiles, hardwood, or low-pile carpets, the Broombi is your go-to cleaning tool. Unlike traditional brooms with bristles that trap dirt and bacteria, the Broombi's silicone blades are washable and maintain hygiene with a simple rinse. Made from high-quality materials, the Broombi is lightweight yet durable, ensuring it lasts for years of rigorous cleaning. No more bending over or struggling to reach under furniture. The Broombi features a sturdy telescopic pole that adjusts from 36 inches to 55 inches, perfect for any cleaning job. In conclusion, the original Broombi isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a revolution in home cleaning. Its innovative design, coupled with its effectiveness across various surfaces, makes it a must-have for every household. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this. Until next time, keep your home clean and your life easier with the original Broombi. Happy cleaning!